Welcome to Biology Tutor. Happy New Year 2025. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the 21. Model question paper 21. It consists of 100 questions, 100 MCQs. First question. Which nutrient is primarily responsible for energy production in the human body? Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins. Your answer is option C, carbohydrates. Second question. What is the primary purpose of food processing? Reduce cost, increase taste, ensure safety and extend shelf life, make food more colorful. Your answer is option C, ensure safety and extend shelf life. Third question. What is the main component of Indian saltpeter? Sodium bicarbonate, potassium nitrate, potassium chloride, magnesium sulfate. Your answer is option B, potassium nitrate. Fourth question. Animal studies indicated that excessive ingestion of borax or boric acid over a prolonged period may cause adverse reproductive and developmental effects. What is the chemical name of borax? Na2B4O710H2O, KMNO4, NaCl, NaHCO3. Your answer is option A, Na2B4O710H2O. Fifth question. What is Botox? Healthy drink, bioluminescent protein, botulinum toxin, probiotic drink. Your answer is option C, botulinum toxin. Botox injections, botulinum toxins that used to prevent muscles from moving for a limited time. These shots are often used to smooth wrinkles on the face. They are also used to treat neck spasms, sweating, overactive bladder, lazy eye, and other conditions. Botox shots also may help to prevent migraine too. Sixth question. Which of the following is a traditional method of food preservation? Vacuum sealing, fermentation, ultrafiltration, radiation. Your answer is option B, fermentation. Seventh question. Freezing preserves food by killing all microbes, slowing down microbial growth and enzymatic activity, changing the color of food, removing water from food. Your answer is option B, slowing down microbial growth and enzymatic activity. Eighth question. Reheated rice syndrome is food poison caused by Clostridium botulinum, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus species, Bacillus cereus. Your answer is option D, Bacillus cereus. 9. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Ninth question. Which microorganism is commonly used in bread making? Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Lactobacillus plantarum, E. coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Your answer is option A, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 10th question. What is known as temperature danger zone of food poisoning bacteria? 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 5 to 60 degrees Celsius, 60 to 100 degrees Celsius, minus 18 to 0 degrees Celsius. Your answer is option B, 5 to 60 degrees Celsius. Food poisoning bacteria grow best at temperatures between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. 11th question. What is the primary component of edible oils? Proteins, carbohydrates, triglycerols, vitamins. Your answer is option C, triglycerols. Edible oils and fats are composed primarily of triglycerols, usually present at 94 to 99% of the total lipid amounts. 12th question. Which compound was known as vitamin B13? Ascorbic acid, tannic acid, niacin, or orotic acid. Your answer is option D, orotic acid is an intermediate metabolite of pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. It was formerly known as vitamin B13. 13th question. What is the process of converting liquid fat into solid fat called? Fermentation, hydrogenation, emulsification, pasteurization. Your answer is option B, hydrogenation. 14th question. Which mammal has the highest fat content of any milk producing animal? Sheep, blue whale, the hooded seal, human. Your answer is option C, the hooded seal. With 60% fat, the milk of the hooded seal has the highest fat content of any milk producing animal. This is the image of hooded seal. 15th question. Wrapping food items in newspaper can cause cancer. Which compound is the suspected culprit? Benzopyrene, naphthylamine, sodium chloride, both A and B. Your answer is option both A and B. Newspaper ink contains aromatic hydrocarbons such as benzopyrene, which is known as carcinogen. exposure to these compounds can lead to lung cancer and other health issues. Naphthalene is another component of newspaper ink associated with cancer, particularly bladder cancer. 16th question. Which gas is often used to fill chips packets to prevent spoilage? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, helium. Your answer is option C, nitrogen. 17th question. What does ISO 22000 focus on? Employee safety, environmental protection, food safety management systems, equipment maintenance. Your answer is option C, food safety management system, FSMS. 18. What is the function of emulsifiers in food? Enhance aroma, prevent separation of oil and water, preserve color, increase weight. Your answer is option B, prevent separation of oil and water. 19th question. Which preservative is naturally found in cranberries? Sodium benzoate, sorbic acid, benzoic acid, propionic acid. Your answer is option C, benzoic acid. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 20. Which compound is known as vitamin B4, vitamin C, choline chloride, phylloquinone, vitamin A? Your answer is option B, choline chloride. 21. Which protein fraction in milk is responsible for the formation of curd, whey protein, casein, albumin, globulin? Your answer is option B, casein. 22. Which microorganism is responsible for the fermentation of idli batter? Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Leuconostoc mesenteroides, Clostridium botulinum, Bacillus cereus. Your answer is option B, Leuconostoc mesenteroides. 23. Which microorganism is commonly associated with the food poisoning in eggs? Listeria monocytogenes, Salmonella enteritis, Staphylococcus aureus, Clostridium botulinum. Your answer is option B, Salmonella enteritis. 24. Ropey slime formation on the surface of meat products is due to Lactobacillus sakhi, Lactobacillus curvatus, Leuconostoc mesenteroides, Bacillus cereus, all of these. Your answer is option A. They are the most frequent isolates responsible for ropey slime formation on the surface of meat products. Sometimes Pseudomonas also will be in the answer. 25. Which microorganism is commonly used in secondary treatment? Bacteria, viruses, protozoa, algae. Your answer is option A, bacteria. 26. Which molds are key participants in the aging process for dry aged beef, producing protease and collagenase enzymes that naturally tenderize the meat? Yeast, mucor, thamnidium, clostridium. Your answer is option C, thamnidium. 27. Which preservative is used in bread to prevent mold? Sorbic acid, sodium benzoate, propionic acid, citric acid. Your answer is option C, propionic acid or calcium propionate. 28. Which foodborne illness is caused by consuming undercooked pork? Botulism, salmonellosis, trichinosis, listeriosis. Your answer is option C, trichinosis. 29. Which bacteria is known as the golden staph? Salmonella typhi, Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus subtilis. Your answer is option C, Staphylococcus aureus. 30. Which microorganism causes cholera? Vibrio cholerae, Listeria monocytogenes, Clostridium difficile, Bacillus cereus. Your answer is option A, Vibrio cholerae. 31. Which bacterium is commonly linked to reheated rice dishes? Bacillus cereus, Clostridium botulinum, Salmonella typhi, Listeria monocytogenes. Your answer is option A, Bacillus cereus. 32. Which term describes microorganisms that thrive in high salt concentrations? Psychrophiles, halophiles, thermophiles, acidophiles. Your answer is option B, halophiles. 33. Which bacterium is used in the production of vinegar? Lactobacillus delbrueckii, Acetobacter aceti, E. coli, Bacillus subtilis. Your answer is option B, Acetobacter aceti. 34. Which compound is the causative agent of green discoloration in eggs? Chlorophyll, sulfur compounds, ferrous sulfide, minerals. Your answer is option C, ferrous sulfide. When an egg is cooked for too long and or at too high temperature, the sulfur in the egg white combines with the iron in the yolk and creates ferrous sulfide, which has a green tint. 35. What causes pink slime in chilled poultry? Clostridium perfringens, Serratia marcescens, Staphylococcus aureus, Aspergillus niger. Your answer is option B, Serratia marcescens. 36. Which of the following is not a fermented food product? Kimchi, cheese, bread, orange juice. Your answer is option D, orange juice. 37. What is the primary purpose of vacuum packaging? Reduce oxidation, prevent contamination, eliminate microorganisms, improve appearance. Your answer is option A, reduce oxidation. 38. Which agar is selective for E. coli? McConkie agar, blood agar, Sebarot agar, mannitol salt agar. Your answer is option A, McConkie agar. 39. Which antibiotic inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis? Penicillin, tetracycline, streptomycin, ciprofloxacin. Your answer is option A, penicillin. 40. Which in disinfectant is most effective against bacterial spores? Alcohol, chlorine dioxide, phenol, hydrogen peroxide. Your answer is option B, chlorine dioxide. For Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 41. Which antimicrobial agent is commonly used in food preservation? Sodium chloride, sodium benzoate, ethanol, iodine. Your answer is option B, sodium benzoate. 42. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins. Your answer is option C, fats. 43. Which macronutrient is essential for building and repairing tissues? Fats, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals. Your answer is option B, proteins. 44. Which type of fat is considered good for heart health? Trans fats, saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, hydrogenated fats. Your answer is option C, monounsaturated fats. 45. What is the primary role of vitamin C in the body? Bone health, blood clotting, collagen synthesis, hormone production. Your answer is option C, collagen synthesis. Vitamin C has been shown to stabilize collagen mRNA, thus increasing collagen protein synthesis for repair of the damaged skin. 46. Which food is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids? Butter, salmon, chicken, bananas. Your answer is option B, salmon. 47. What is the main dietary source of calcium? Green leafy vegetables, milk and dairy products, red meat, rice. Your answer is option B, milk and dairy products. 48. Which food is the best source of dietary fiber? White bread, processed cheese, fresh fruits and vegetables, sugar. Your answer is option C, fresh fruits and vegetables. 49. Which food group provides the highest protein content? Grains, meat and legumes, dairy, fats and oils. Your answer is option B, meats and legumes. 50. Which condition is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? Scurvy, rickets, pellagra, night blindness. Your answer is option B, rickets. 51. What is the deficiency disorder associated with vitamin C? Beriberi, scurvy, pellagra, night blindness. Your answer is option B, scurvy. 52. Vasco da Gama lost 116 of 170 men on his first voyage to India in 1499, almost all to which disease? Beriberi, scurvy, pellagra, night blindness. Your answer is option B, scurvy. 53. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Vitamin A, thiamine, vitamin B12, vitamin E. Your answer is option B, thiamine or vitamin B1. 54. Which is termed as blueprint of life? DNA, RNA, ATP, NAD+. Your answer is option A, DNA. It carries all the information for the organisms to grow, survive and reproduce. 55. What are HSP90, HSP70 and GP96 in human body? Heat shock proteins, antibiotic receptors, newly discovered vitamins, helium and carbon monoxide. Your answer is option A, heat shock proteins. 56. What is the end product of protein metabolism? Urea, ammonia, nitrogen, glucose. Your answer is option A, urea. 57. What is the primary function of vitamin E? Collagen formation, antioxidant protection, vision improvement, bone strengthening. Your answer is option B, antioxidant protection. 58. Which vitamin complex is essential for energy metabolism? Vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin D, vitamin E. Your answer is option B, vitamin B complex. 59. Which vitamin helps in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus? Vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin K. Here answer is option A, vitamin D. Question number 60. Pernicious anemia is caused by a deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D. Here answer is option B, vitamin B12. 61. Which enzyme breaks down starch into maltose? Amylase, lipase, protease, pepsin. Here answer is option A, amylase. 62. Which substance emulsifies fats in the digestive system? Enzymes, bile salts, hormones, stomach acid. Here answer is option B, bile salts. 63. What is the main site of nutrient absorption in the digestive system? Stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver. Your answer is option C, small intestine. 64. Which condition results from a lack of niacin? Beriberi, scurvy, pellagra, rickets. Your answer is option C, pellagra. 65. What is the term for protein deficiency in children? Marasmus, kwashiorkor, rickets, obesity. Your answer is option B, kwashiorkor. 66. Excessive intake of vitamin A may lead to night blindness, osteoporosis, hypervitaminosis A, pellagra. Here answer is option C, hypervitaminosis A. 67. Which nutrient is most susceptible to loss during food processing? Proteins, fats, vitamins, carbohydrates. Here answer is option C, vitamins. 68. Which sugar is found naturally in fruits? Sucrose, fructose, maltose, lactose. Here answer is option B, fructose. 69. Which amino acid is essential in the human diet? Glutamine, alanine, lysine, glycine. Here answer is option C, lysine. 70. Which lipid is considered the building block of cell membranes? Triglycerides, phospholipids, sterols, waxes. Here answer is option B, phospholipids. 71. The predominant protein in egg white is ovalbumin, casein, lysine, all of these. Here answer is option A, ovalbumin. 7. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact to these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 72. Which is the second most predominant egg white protein in egg? Ovalbumin, casein, both A and B, corn albumin. Your answer is option D, corn albumin. 73. Which complex is the strongest known non-covalent interaction between a protein and ligand? The avidin biotin complex, flavoprotein riboflavin complex, both A and B, none of these. Your answer is option A, the avidin biotin complex. The bond formation between biotin and avidin is very rapid and once formed is unaffected by extreme pH, temperature, organic solvents and other denaturing agents. 74. What is the main fatty acid in butter? Oleic acid, palmitic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid. Your answer is option B, palmitic acid. The most abundant fatty acid in butter was primary palmitic acid, followed by myristic acid, stearic acid, and oleic acid. 75. What is the primary protein found in meat? Myosin, collagen, casein, albumin. Your answer is option A, myosin. 76. What is the term for the postmortem stiffening of muscles in meat? Glycolysis, rigidity, rigor mortis, fermentation. Your answer is option C, rigor mortis. 77. Which part of the egg contains the highest protein content? Yolk, albumin, shell, membrane. Your answer is option B, albumin. 78. Which component gives the yolk its yellow color? Carotenoids, lycopene, flavonoids, anthocyanins. Your answer is option A, carotenoids. 79. What is the purpose of candling eggs? Sterilization, grading, checking quality and freshness, removing bacteria. Your answer is option C, checking quality and freshness. 80. What does BOD stand for in wastewater management? Biological oxidation demand, biochemical oxygen demand, basic oxygen demand, biological organism density. Your answer is option B, biochemical oxygen demand. 81. What is the main component removed during primary treatment? Dissolved salts, large and suspended solids, pathogens, nutrients. Your answer is option B, large and suspended solids. 82. What is the purpose of secondary treatment in sewage treatment plants? Remove solid waste, reduce biological oxygen demand, eliminate heavy metals, filter microorganisms. Here answer is option B, reduce biological oxygen demand. 83. What is the activated sludge process? A physical method of filtration, aeration of sewage with microorganisms, chlorination of treated water, sedimentation of sludge. Here answer is option B, aeration of sewage with microorganisms. 84. Which type of treatment involves trickling filters? Primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment, none of the above. Here answer is option B, secondary treatment. 85. What is the purpose of tertiary treatment? Remove pathogens, improve water quality, remove dissolved nutrients, all of the above. Here answer is option D, all of the above. 86. Which chemical is commonly used for disinfection in sewage treatment? Chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus. Here answer is option A, chlorine. 87. Which method is commonly used in tertiary treatment to remove fine particles? Coagulation and flocculation, sedimentation, screening, reverse osmosis. Here answer is option A, coagulation and flocculation. 88. What is reverse osmosis used for in sewage treatment? Removing large particles, eliminating dissolved solids and impurities, aerating wastewater, disinfecting water. Your answer is option B, eliminating dissolved solids and impurities. 89. What is the main byproduct of sewage treatment? Compost, sludge, gaseous emissions, treated water. Your answer is option B, sludge. 90. What is the term for the treated water discharged into the environment? Effluent, influent, sludge, residue. Your answer is option A, effluent. 91. What is the purpose of a grit chamber in sewage treatment? Remove oils and grease, remove sand and small stones, remove pathogens, reduce BOD. Your answer is option B, remove sand and small stones. 92. Which nutrient is commonly removed to prevent eutrophication in water bodies? Phosphorus, iron, calcium, sulfate. Your answer is option A, phosphorus. 93. Which test measures the organic load in wastewater? COD test, BOD test, pH test, TDS test. Your answer is option B, BOD test. 94. Dash is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by aerobic biological organisms to break down organic material present in a given water sample at a certain temperature over a specific time period. COD, BOD, HOD, none of these. Your answer is option B, BOD. 95. Which bacteria plays an important role in wastewater treatment because it is capable of lowering demand for biological oxygen? Staphylococcus aureus, Bacillus subtilis, Zooglea ramigera, Bacillus cereus. Your answer is option C, Zooglea ramigera. 96. What is the typical pH range of treated wastewater? 2 to 3, 6 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 14. Your answer is option B, 6 to 9. 97. What is the purpose of tertiary treatment? Remove pathogens, improve wastewater, remove dissolved nutrients, all of the above. Your answer is option D, all of the above. 98. In aeration tanks, oxygen is supplied to kill pathogens, encourage microbial activity, remove dissolved salts, neutralize pH. Your answer is option B, encourage microbial activity. 99. Who was the civil engineer in the 19th century who built London's first sewer system, which helped to wipe out cholera in the capital? Thomas Edison, Vigo, Martin Luther King Jr., Sir Joseph William Bazalgette. Your answer is option D, Sir Joseph William Bazalgette. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact to these numbers or else you can purchase the book from the Amazon link which is available in the description. Question number 100, last question of this session. Which famous food's name has given to Android version 6? Marshmallow, Oreo, nougat, pie. Your answer is option A, marshmallow. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get updated notifications and new videos.